Hey tubers, here's a quick video for you. Recently I purchased this tire gauge, I don't know, at one of the parts stores, doesn't matter. And I've been using it to pump up, check the air pressure on the tires. Recently I put air in my kid's 2022 Lexus. And the dashboard actually tells you the tire pressure. And there seems to be about a 7-pound difference between this and the car. Well, I got another tire gauge out, and what do I learn? This tire gauge is off by 7 pounds. This one matches the car exactly. So the two that match, the odd boy's broken. First time that's ever happened to me that I bought one of these, any kind of tire gauge, that has been that far off. And from now on in the future, I guess I'm going to check them on a known pressure before I just decide they're good and start using them in general. If I could remember who sold this to me, I'd take it back. Oh well. I've been running my tires rock hard and then some. So I got to air down everything. You live and learn. Even when you're trying to do a good job, things can happen.